Well, here it is. This is what's inside an EarthX battery. I cracked her open. It actually came open really, really easy, which is a little disappointing. Almost as if you dropped this thing. There's no way it was going to survive. Uh, it's, uh, it's not what I expected for the cost of the battery. And then the cells inside, I don't think are of high enough quality for the cost either. This BMI board and everything is really pretty decent, not too shabby, although it does show some signs of degradation over here on the negative side, where it's a little oxidized actually. You can see that. So, you know, it is a handmade board. You can see that somebody wrote something on it. Right there. This is the remote observer, you know, tells you whether or not your battery's in good condition. So, we're just gonna cut that and move on. I'm gonna take off these horrible battery protectors. I mean, this is the kind of thing that doesn't make any sense. If the battery is only this big, why are you putting this much space around it, of dead space? I mean, you could easily put this in a much smaller battery case, and I would rather have this on the outside of the battery, you know, stuck to the actual case itself like this, to take up the space, because you already have to do that anyway, and just have a smaller battery with your BMI shrunk down stuck on the side of the thing, because we don't have orientation in these applications. You know, this is small enough that it's 1/3 the size of the box. Well, alright, I'm going to keep pulling this thing apart a little bit further here. We'll get all this stickum off of here. Get off of there. Whoa, look at the top of this battery here. It smells horrible too. That's always concerning. Like, why does it have such horrible smelling componentry in it? Ugh, get off of there. There we go. So now you can see the top with the BMI charge board on top. Is that what's going on here? Ooh, look at that. We have other charging pieces here. Oh, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cells. And it looks like only the last cell exploded on this. I mean, you can see that clearly it's this side right here is blown up. So I'm gonna cut this open. Ooh, look at this weird condensation on the... It's not condensation, it's hard. It's almost as if it's chemical degradation. Right here, you see that weird texture on that? Or else they got it too hot when they torched it down, but that doesn't make... I mean, like, it should look like that. Interesting. This battery is turning out to be a hoax. You could do a lot better with like a bio battery or something. Alright. Take it apart some more and let's see.